So hello members, welcome back again. Hope you're all doing well. I'm back here again, still on the same topic of the search strategy. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the other two more search strategies that we're going to go through in this video. So I'll still start by opening my document, my slide here, since I'm presenting the work to you in form of a slide. So this is the main topic, the search strategy. So we looked at a brief description of the key concepts of what we call the search strategy. And we also looked at the search strategy as a method or a plan used to systematically find relevant information on a particular topic or a research question. And we went further to see that it involves the identification of key concepts, the selection of appropriate search terms, the determination of how to combine these terms to retrieve the most relevant results from a database or information retrieval system. So we also went ahead to see that this search strategy is commonly used in academic research, literature reviews, systematic reviews, and other information-seeking contexts. So we also saw that they help researchers efficiently locate relevant sources, and they also help to minimize the risks of missing out important information during a research that is being done. So in this video, let me start with this. We went through the components of a search strategy. We saw the identification of key concepts, the selection of search terms, the Boolean operators, the truncation and the wildcards, the phrase searching, filters and limits, database selection, and the iterative process. So those are the components of a search strategy. So in the previous video, I went through identification of key concepts. Hope all of you understood and got what to do with the identification of the key concepts. I also went through the selection of the search terms. I think most of you went through that and you saw the most important things there. So in this video, we are going to look at what called the Boolean operators. So here in this search strategy called the Boolean operators, here when doing research or trying to search out a particular topic, we use operators like and, a and d, the and, or, which is the or, and not, not. So these three operators can be used to make a combination or to exclude the terms. And by doing this, they help to refine and to broaden the research, to make the research more wide. So we are going to go through the Boolean operators, as there are three of them. We shall go through one by one, and we'll see how we can use these operators while performing a search strategy. So we shall start with and, which is the A and D. So this ensures that all terms appear. So and assures that all terms that you're trying to search for, it ensures that appear. Because when you put the first term, maybe you use a comma, you put the second term, and say and this or and this, the next terms. So and ensures that all terms appear. or it makes the research narrower. So we shall go to OR, which is the OR. This retrieves results containing any of the terms or makes the research broader. So OR makes the research more broader, cover up many other issues or many other concepts that you're trying to make research on. That's what the Boolean operator OR does. So we shall go to the next operator, which is not, N-O-T. So not excludes the specific terms, avoid irrelevant results. Maybe you're trying to search for something, you put the first search term, then you say, I want to search for definition of this or definition of this and this. So this helps you to exclude the specific terms to avoid irrelevant results. We shall go to the next operator, which is the truncation and wildcards. So here we use symbols like this that looks like a star, or we can use a question mark, which is also a symbol. Include word variations or alternate spellings. So truncation does what we call, it retrieves different endings of a word. But the wildcards address what we call a variation, addresses spelling variations, or when there's a difference in spellings of what you're trying to search for, the wildcards do what we call spelling variation address. So I'll go ahead to explain more on what we call the Boolean operators. Maybe I'll give an example of, you're given to search for climate change, and you say maybe analyze the effects of climate change and agriculture. So here you'll use the Boolean operator and to link climate change and agriculture. So when you're trying to search for the two, all the results are brought in concerning climate change in reference to agriculture and agriculture. So you can say climate change, or you can use the other word, or this word, the other word of global warming. So the results will bring you maybe the effects of global warming on climate change. So we shall go and see what we call the truncation and wildcards, where we use symbols. So here, truncation retrieves different endings of a word, and it helps wildcards add phrases to spelling variations. If there's a difference in spelling, or there's a difference in what you're trying to search for, this is what the wildcards do. And they help you search out what you're looking for, and the results are brought out correctly. So those are the two search strategies that I've taken you through this video. So let's link up a next video where I'll be talking about phrase searching and what we call filters and limits. So hope most of you have watched, have understood what we call the Boolean operators and the truncation wildcards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I know the content is really educative. Thank you so much for watching. Let's link up in the next video where I'll talk about search strategy, where I'll talk about phrase searching, then filters and limits. Thank you.